So check it out. Got kind of a Santa Fe evening going tonight. I got my, I guess you would call them bonnet schemes, kind of a fantasy thing. I've got the blue bonnets on the inside and also the black bonnets and the yellow bonnet. The blue bonnet has some passenger cars that I painted on it to match it. And also this one was long pilot, had a big chip out of it, so I repaired the pilot and I decided to customize it while I was at it. I drilled out the Mars light as I do on all my customs, and I touched up the war bonnet to make it look more realistic and put the Santa Fe across it. It also has a powered B unit, and there's about 8 or 9 Marx passenger cars behind it. And this one's a Marx original. This is one of the more rarer versions. So one of the early versions has the 1095 right underneath the number board. So we're going to take them off for a spin. We've got dual 19-volt LEDs in each one, and some of them, the custom ones, I put plastic and clear plastic in the cab windows. So we'll check it out. Here we go. We'll start out with the inside one. And we'll pick the camera up so you can see them a little bit better. I really think those dual headlights really set them off nice. One of my favorite things to do. And now we'll set the camera back down. All right. They all run great. These are obviously my favorites. That was a lot of fun to do. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.